Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a site on Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, what you can first do is to head over and click on this one and make sure to go to all sites right here. You can also just head over to the manage.wix.com/account/website in order to see all the websites that you have created. Now, if you want to duplicate a site, so for example, this site right here, just click on this site actions. And then from in there, you should be able to see this option for duplicating site. So click on duplicate site right here. And then from in there, just head over and name your site. So let's just name it Drop It Copy right here. So let's remove this one and click on duplicate right here. Then as you can see, it will duplicate our site. So let's just wait for that to finish loading. And as you can see, the site has been duplicated successfully. So you can see it right here and you can select and edit this site from this right here. From in there, you will be able to see the dashboard. And once you have opened the dashboard, you will be able to see the edit site option. So let's just wait for that and then click on design site or edit site in order to design the site that you have duplicated. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to duplicate site on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!